Hello, welcome back, and in this video I'll be walking through all of my EG2 L5C cases, those algs. So the first one is the H case. You can recognize it by all of these big bars and these two faces being solved. And this is a really bad case. I have 3 algs for it actually. First one is you hold it diagonally like this, so that these two corners swap. Like these two corners swap like this. You kind of do a sexy move like that, and then you do 3 of those. My second algorithm is can hold it from this angle where like these corners are here. Can do a sledge, and then small b prime, big R. Insert this corner, small b prime R. For my third alg, I do it from this angle. You take out this corner like this, so go up like that, B, and then you kind of rotate. So you move this corner around back here, small b prime R. So next case is Z perm. The way you hold it is actually, since it's not symmetrical, you want to hold it from the angle where the centers match up with the corner. You want to do small b prime. You want to take this corner out, do a push move like that, down, and then just solve the rest. Next two cases are the U perms. So there are 2 of them. One goes to the right like this, or down. That's how I think of it. The other one goes up like this. So for this first one, the whole from this angle can go like R2 prime, R, big R, small r, big R, B prime like this, and then big R. Instead of just going down, you cancel the hedge by going like this. So that. In the second case, pretty nice and easy. Hold from this angle, where you have the 2 big bars. Do small b, insert this corner, rotate, insert this corner, edge. For these next 2 cases, these are the O perms. The way I recognize these is the U center is off to the side, and there are 2 solved centers, and they're pointing up. They're pointing down. That's bad. That's X perm. So yeah, these are the O perms. The first one where it's on the left here, from here, so you kind of hold the U center in the back. Small b prime, big R, insert this corner, b prime, and then you kind of like insert this corner like this. Second case, again, you hold in the back, you do big B, small r prime, big R prime, small r prime, big R prime, like that, regripless, big B, and then insert this corner like this. These next 2 cases are the Z perm conjugates. So there's one solved center, and the way I look at it is over here, so like opposite to the U center. These are kind of opposite, same as like this. If they're the same, that would be what perm. And for the first case, you do B, take this corner out, lefty swag, so push, pull, and then for this B prime, you push like that, and R2 prime. So again, and in this case, it's pretty similar. You want to take this out, but starting with R2 prime, lefty swag, the same B prime, R prime, but instead of going R prime again, you do B. So next, we have the triple sledges. So they are all, well, the U perm, the U center is at the bottom, and the 3 centers all look solved. the first one goes to the left, the second one goes to the right. And so for this first one, hold from here, take this corner out with a long R2 prime at the start. Rotate, small r, and then insert the corner at the back, B prime R. So again, this second case, you hold from this angle, you can see they go to the right, like all of these point to the right. Do big R prime, small r, big R prime, big B prime, big R prime, big B prime. And here you insert the corner like this. So next we have the X perms. So unlike like the what perm, no, the O perm, sorry. There are two kind of solve centers at the back, but now this time they point to the bottom. And for this one, I hold from this angle, I do small r, big R, smaller big R prime, so just these four moves. I replace this corner and then insert it sledge. So the second case is pretty bad. The alg I use is I take this out, B prime, and then R prime, R prime, R prime, R prime again, B, R prime. So now onto the what perms. So the way to recognize these is instead of these being opposite, these are the same. And same with this one. Put the solve center in the back. And for this first case, where you have it on the right here, the U center, you take this corner out, B prime, and then you insert this corner, and then you do those two moves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second case, hold from here, do small r, big R prime, sledge, R, lefty swag, and then you just push there. So okay, the last two cases are the swirls. So the way I recognize these is this first one, this center that is opposite the U center, they are opposite to these colors, or the centers adjacent to the U center are the same. For this case, the alg I use is I twist this corner like this, RB, and then I move this corner here and twist it back. Now for this case, the alg I use isn't widely used, but I think it's pretty good. So B prime, take this out, so the same 5 moves as the Z perm. So then I go down, insert this corner, and then B prime. So thanks for watching.